ang strategy ng DSA ngayon is house to house. Diba? We give the food pass and other items doon sa City of Quezon, and it's the City of Quezon that release it to the barangays, and it's the barangay officials that distribute it house to house to their constituents. No? Kung meron may tela natin, no? Kung wala man talaga, tawagan nyo na kami, kami mismo ang mga tayo. No? Siguro yun lang makanauna yung report na hindi dumating kaysa doon sa action na ginagawa ng mga local government. But we assure you, we have enough food packs. Here in Quezon, we have two in-issue mobile storage unit sa plaza. Pinupuro namin yun ng aside from Philip Vitang si Jensen, almost 200,000 na nabigay namin at the start of the earthquake. And we have still our commitment 200,000. That is 300,000 food packs. So, 1:1 na tayo dyan kasi 300,000 households yung Jensen. And we have still a full mobile storage unit na dalawa, 18,800 and 36,000 yan, waiting for any eventuality, or we need to add more based on the demand of those people that will not get any assistance by the local government unit of Quezon. And aside from that, we have ECT. ECT stands for Emergency Cash Transfer. Ito yung hinihintay nila ng pera bayan sa slightly damaged and totally damaged. No? And including, of course, those that were affected economically by the earthquake, those na bumagsak yung ng negosyo or sa mga mall empleyado. Actually, we are finished with the Save More, the Jollibee, McDonald's, and that of SN, no? And we're waiting for the names for this PCC so that we can add more, no, as assistance to those who were affected.